astray. My youngest son came home today. My youngest son was a fine young man with a wife, a daughter, and 2 sons, and a man he would have lived and died till by a bullet sanctified. Now he's a saint, or so they say. They brought their young saint home today. An Irish sky looks down and weeps upon a narrow Belfast street, while children's blood in gutters spilled, and dreams of freedom unfulfilled, as part of freedom's price to pay. My young son came home today. This time he's here to stay.